After university admission, what next? Part 2. Congratulations on your admission. But hold on, your journey has just begun. Missing a single step could cost you your admission. Watch this video till the end to stay ahead and secure your spot. Step-by-step guide for newly admitted students. Step 1. Accept your admission on the JAMB portal. This is non-negotiable. If you haven't accepted your admission, you're not officially a student yet. Step 2. Complete your online clearance. Online clearance involves several key uploads and verifications. Need help? DM us at 0807-744-7977 or visit any trusted cyber cafe near your campus. Step 3. Get your school materials. Start strong by preparing early. Visit our website to grab your freshers book. Copies are limited, so act fast. Step 4. Physical clearance. Submit all printed documents from your online clearance. This step confirms your physical presence and readiness. Step 5. Medical clearance. Your health matters. Complete your medical screening as instructed by your school. Step 6. Faculty clearance. Meet your faculty officers and get verified. This step connects you to your academic home. Step 7. Departmental clearance. Finalize your registration with your department. You're almost there. Bonus. Join UGOBEST Year 1 tutorial classes. Get ahead academically with expert-led tutorials tailored for freshers. Don't wait till you're overwhelmed. Start now. Subscribe to this channel for more insider tips, survival guides, and academic hacks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a crucial update. Like, comment, and share with your fellow freshers, because success is better when shared. Your admission is just the beginning. Let's walk this journey together. Subscribe now and stay empowered.